In this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent people from mentioning you on Instagram. The first thing you need to do is to open the Instagram application by clicking on it like this. Then you want to refresh it. Then you will click on your profile picture. This is located the right here at the bottom here, okay? Then scroll down until you see this place for tags and mentions, okay? Now you'll see this option for allow mentions from everyone. This option will allow anybody on Instagram to mention you on their post. Then allow mentions from people you follow. Only people you follow will be able to mention you on Instagram. Then there is this option for don't allow mentions. This one, you want to click on it. Then here, allow people to boost stories that they mention you in. Toggle it off. Then allow people to boost stories that reshare your content and mention you. Toggle it off. With these options, people will not be able to mention you on Instagram. Thank you guys. Let's meet in the next video.